The desert was silent, but something eternal was about to echo through time. It was the 18th of Dhu al-Hijjah, 10 a scorching day under the Arabian sun. Thousands of hearts beat together on the hot sands of Ghadeer-khum, unaware that they stood on the threshold of a divine declaration. Here, under the open sky, a moment would unfold that would divide history, test loyalties, and elevate the truth. A moment that Shia hearts remember not just with pride, but with love and grief. This is not just a story. This is a moment when Walaya was declared, when truth was lifted by the hand of light. This is the day when Ali, A.S., became Mola. The sun was blazing mercilessly as the caravan of the Prophet, PBUH, halted at a place called Ghadeer-khum, an otherwise unremarkable spot between Mecca and Medina. Thousands had just completed Hajj with the Prophet, the final Hajj. The desert air was still heavy with the weight of revelation, for the Prophet had known that this journey was not just about pilgrimage. It was about succession. The Prophet, PBUH, received a command from Allah, one that shook the heavens with its urgency. O Messenger, convey what has been revealed to you from your Lord. If you do not, then you have not conveyed his message at all. And Allah will protect you from the people. Quran 5 hours, 67 minutes. This was not a suggestion. It was an order. The Prophet, PBUH, immediately commanded the caravan to halt. Those who had gone ahead were called back. Those behind were told to catch up. A pulpit was made from saddles and camel equipment under the scorching sun. The Prophet stood upon it, with Ali, A.S., by his side. The companions and thousands of believers gathered around, many shielding their eyes from the light, unaware they were about to witness a moment that would carry the weight of eternity. With his voice strong, yet filled with deep emotion, the Prophet, PBUH, began. O people, I am about to be called to my Lord, and I will soon respond to that call. I am leaving behind among you two weighty things, the Book of Allah and my Ahl-e-Bait. If you hold on to both, you will never go astray. A silence fell, and then it happened. The Prophet took Ali, A.S., by the hand, raised it high in front of everyone, and declared, Man Kunto Maula fa Haza Aliyyun Maula. For whomever I am his master, Ali is his master. The words tore through the hearts of some and brought tears to the eyes of others. It was not just a statement, it was a divine appointment. It was clarity, it was finality. The crowd stood in stunned silence. And then a few voices began to shout congratulations. Oh Ali, you have become the Mola of every believing man and woman. The first to say it was Umar ibn al-Khattab himself, though history would unfold with a bitter complexity after that. The Prophet, PBUH, made sure the declaration was sealed. He asked everyone to come forward and give bay'ah, allegiance, to Ali A.S. Thousands came forward. They congratulated him. They pledged. They affirmed. They bore witness. And yet, after the Prophet, PBUH, passed away, silence crept in. Some tried to forget it. Others pretended it never happened. But the ink had dried, the dust had settled, and the hearts of the lovers of Ali, A.S., had already carved the moment into their souls. Years passed. Ali, as, did not fight for power. He did not shout. He waited. He served. He protected Islam. He taught. And above all, he forgave. Ghadeer was not just about succession. It was about Walaya, the spiritual authority, the soul of leadership, the connection between heaven and the hearts of the believers. The Prophet, PBUH, was not assigning a political figurehead. He was declaring the continuation of divine guidance. Ali, A.S., was the Quran's speaking voice, the man who was raised in the Prophet's arms, who slept in his bed when death lurked outside, who shattered the idols at Karbala, and who wept in prayer at night. He was now the Mola. Those who recognized it found light. Those who rejected it lost something eternal. From the sands of Ghadeer, a river flowed. It became a stream of truth through generations. Through Karbala, through the silence of Sajjad, A.S., through the deep knowledge of Bakir, A.S., and Siddiq, A.S., through the patience of Musa al-Qadim, A.S., the light of Rida, A.S., and the awaited rise of the Mahdi, ATFS. Every year, when Shia Muslims gather to remember Ghadir, they do not simply remember an event. They revive a declaration. They relive the lifting of truth. They see the hand raised again and again. Children are taught the words, Aliyyun Maula. Hearts repeat it. Tongues carry it like a song of loyalty. Aliyyun Maula is more than love. It is truth. It is identity. It is walaya. The truth of Ghadir is not bound by time. It is not limited by dust or denial. It is a living truth, one that rises in every heart that recognizes the light of Ali A.S. When the Prophet, PBUH, raised Ali's hand, it was not just a gesture. It was a bridge between prophethood and Imamate, between revelation and realization, between the seal of prophecy and the eternal flame of guidance. Ali, did not ask for it. He did not need it. The Prophet, PBUH, declared it because Allah commanded it. And those who remember Ghadir today carry that same flame. In a world full of noise, their voices still echo with the calm certainty of that desert day. Man Kunto Maula fa Haza Aliyyun Maula. And that, dear viewer, is the truth of Ghadir. Ali is the Mola. Ali was always the Mola, and he will always be.